Welcome. Today we are going to read the fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part or portion of a whole if we divide the whole shape into equal parts. These parts are called fractions. For example, if you see this figure, there is a circle. The circle has divided into four parts: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the total number of parts are 4 and the shaded parts are 1, 2, 3. So shaded parts are is equal to 3. So what would be the fraction? The fraction would be the parts shaded upon total parts. So we will write it as 3 upon 4, where the 3 is the numerator and the 4 is the denominator. Now look into this star. In this star, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total number of parts are 5 and the parts shaded are 2. So what would be the fractions, that is parts shaded upon total parts? Yes, the fraction would be 2 upon 5, where numerator is equals to 2 and the denominator is equals to 5. Now we are going to read the types of the fraction. There are many types of fraction. The first one is the like fractions. The like fraction is where denominators are same. For example, 5 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 1 by 7. You can see the denominators are equals to 7. All the denominators have same value. So this will be the example of the like fraction. Now come to the unlike fraction where denominators are not same. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 6 by 10 and 4 by 11. You can see the children that all the denominators are different to each other. So they are the unlike fractions. Now the third one is the proper fractions. A proper fraction is the fraction where denominators are greater than the numerator. For example, 4 by 12 here. 4 is lesser than 12, or we can say that 12 is greater than 4. 6 by 10 where 10 is greater than 6. 5 by 9, 9 is greater than 5 and 4 by 17 where 17 is greater than 4. Now the improper fractions are where numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 16 by 11, 7 by 3, 56 upon 40 and 33 upon 29. In all the above examples, the numerators are greater than the denominators. Now the unit fraction. The unit fraction is a fraction with 1 as the numerator. Whether it doesn't matter what is the denominator, but the numerator should be always 1. For example, 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Now come to the mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 3, 2 upon 5, 1 and 4 by 9 and 5, 7 upon 12. In all the examples, there are fraction is included with a number, whole number. For example, 3 is a whole number and 2 by 5 is a fraction. 1 is a whole number and 4 by 9 is a fraction. 5 is a whole number and 7 upon 12 is a fraction. So this is a combination of the whole number and a proper fraction. And if you have ever given any problem for comparing or solving the fractions and there is the fraction given in the mixed form, so always you have to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction and then you will solve it. Now come to the part where we will be able to compare the order of the fractions. To compare the like fractions, we compare their numerators. The fractions with the greater numerator is greater. For example, in 31 and 31 and 37 and 23 upon 37, the 31 is bigger. So 31 upon 37 is the greater fraction. To compare unlike fractions, we can do cross multiplication or convert them into like fractions. For example, comparison of 9 upon 17 and 13 upon 19. So, by using the cross multiplication, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction together, that is 9 and 19 together and 13 and 17 together, and then we will compare the results. So 9 multiplied by 19 is equals to 171, 13 into 17 is equals to 221. So 171 is lesser than the 221, therefore 9 upon 71 is lesser than the 13 upon 19. Now order or compare the fractions by converting them into the like fraction. To convert the unlike fractions into like fractions, first we will find out the LCM of the denominators and then find the equivalent fraction having denominators equals to the LCM. That means if you have given any fraction, first step is to take out their LCM. Like 4 upon 6, 5 upon 9 and 11 upon 12. If you have to convert them in an ascending order, first take out the LCM of 6, 9 and 12. The LCM of 6, 9 and 12 is equals to 36. Now you will convert them into the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction having denominator 36. So if you have to convert them into the equivalent fraction, you will multiply by the number so that the denominator would get the number 36. That is, if you multiply 6 by 6, you will get the denominator 36. If you multiply 9 by 4, you will get the denominator 36. If you multiply 12 by 3, you will get the denominator 36. So we will multiply the fraction with the numerator and denominator both by the same number. And the results are 24 upon 36, 20 upon 36 and 33 upon 36. So we can easily compare that 20 upon 36 is the smallest fraction and 33 upon 36 is the greatest fraction. Thank you for watching and your support.